Hey guys, what's going on? We got some S Pens, or an S Pen for the Fold Edition Galaxy Z Fold 5. This one I ordered because it has a cool case. Let's tear it open and see what we got. Ooh, that tore off. Oh, there it goes. I like this little case. It's cool, you can just slip it in your pocket and go if you don't want to mess with the case. Wow. This feels totally different from this one. Feels totally different from the ones that come with the case. It feels more premium. It feels kind of like the, let me see, it feels like the S Pen for the S21 Ultra. Feels identical to that. Huh. Cool. And we also got some tips for the S Pen. But as you can see, I've been putting in the metal S Pen tips. I did a video on those a while ago, but they just hold up a lot easier, hold up a lot better, you know. They don't bust, they don't break, they don't wear out. They're there forever. But that's it. That's the case and the S Pen for the Z Fold 5. Boy, it feels good. It feels totally premium. That's it. Later, guys.